When it comes time to change your filters, first thing you want to do is isolate the water coming in and isolate the water coming out. And now you can open your bypass so you still got water to the home. So now that the water's shut off to the filters and the softener, you want to relieve the pressure from both of them. Might take a little bit of time. So once you've relieved all the pressure out of the system, you're going to get your filter key, take a firm grip, and twist it to the left. Once you get the first initial loosen, you do it by hand. So because it's a fresh system, the sediment filter is still perfectly good. But when these go around, after about 6 to 8 months, then they need changing. Use your filter key for the last few turns.